The word initiative is derived from words to begin, to take the lead, to take charge before others, and today it generally refers to the ability to independently assess and take action. Without initiative, you become discouraged by hesitation and doubt, delaying progress and causing the regret of what might have been. And yet, when you do take the initiative, you become empowered to take the lead for continued progress forward. The question becomes, what are you doing today to take the lead for the benefit of the people you influence?